Okay, so we are on to part 4. I'm Reema Desai from theguidingstar.org. Before we go on to, I told you I'm going to challenge you and see if you can understand when I draw a chart here. Before that, I want to quickly show you the zodiac signs and their numbers so that you can relate to the numbers that are right in the horoscope. So the sign of Aries is number 1, Taurus is number 2. You can pretty much read all of it here. And it always goes in the same order. So Gemini is 3, Cancer 4, Leo 5, Virgo is 6, Libra is 7, Scorpio is 8. Sorry, there's light coming from my kitchen there. Sagittarius is 9, Capricorn is 10, Aquarius is 11, and Pisces is 12. Now, if you see a horoscope rising sign starting from Libra, which we saw 7, you know it'll go in the same order. So the next house will have 8, and then the house after that 9, 10, 11, 12, and then you jump and you go on to the first one. So it's almost like a circle that you have to always remember so that you don't read a dead end. Okay, so now here, I don't want you all to still see the other one. Here, look at this horoscope. What is the rising sign or the ascendant sign for this person's chart? And again, to repeat, the chart, horoscope, the different names for it is birth chart, horoscopes, kundli, janmakshar, janma kundli. It all means the same thing. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Type the answer, like write it down or say it in your mind. I think I should do a live one, right? A live video. So that's the ascendant sign number, zodiac sign number, which is 4. Let's see what 4 stands for. 4 stands for Cancer. So this person is a Cancer ascendant, Cancer rising. And when you see 4 here, which is house number 1, where is house number 2? Do you remember where house number 2 is? You go anti-clockwise, you go this way. So here, that's house number 2. So if this is 4, this has to be 5, which is Leo, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Got it? If you did not, write me your questions and maybe I will do a live video for you all to better understand. Now here I have an incomplete chart for you and I want you to complete that chart. First, I want you to tell me what is the ascendant or the rising sign for this person's chart. What sign is it? What number do you see and where should you look first? The first place that you should look is this house. And that's the first house, and the number there is 12, and 12 stands for Pisces. Now, if you want to learn astrology, you would have to know these numbers by heart as soon as you can, and then you would have to remember the houses, the house numbers, house number 1, 2, 3, and then you need to know how to place these signs, right? How to understand the numbers within the houses. So this person is a Pisces rising, Pisces ascendant. It's a very, very Pisces-like person. And then if you know the qualities like dreamy, artistic, secretive, then isolated, then you can understand what this person would be like. Have a general consensus on that, and then general understanding. I mean, not consensus, general understanding on that. And then if this is 12, so in the second house you'll have 1, 2. What number will go here? Very easy. 3. Where will the number 4 go? So I'm testing you, and that's why I'm keeping a pause for y'all to think. So the number 4 goes into the next house. The next house lies where? Here. Where's the next house? This is the next house. What number do we have here? So if this was 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's Sagittarius. 10, that's Capricorn. 11, that's Aquarius. Okay? Now, if you did not understand what I just told you all, then all you need to do is you need to go back to the first 4 videos that I've made, or first 3 videos that I've made, and hear them again and again and again till you get this concept. It's not as difficult to understand if you follow it correctly. Now, for those of you who did understand and wish to go forward, here, look what I've written. Now the chart starts to get a little more complicated because now you know the number, you know the zodiac sign, and you know this zodiac sign is sitting in the 10th house of career, authority, relationship with the father to some extent, status, etc. Now we have sun written over here in English, and the same word in Hindi, that's Ravi. Even in Gujarati it would be written Ravi. Now this means that this person's sun was in this house when the person was born. It was on the which side? The north side of the sky when this person was born. And so this person has sun in the sign of Sagittarius. This means that this person's sun sign is Sagittarius. And when you read your forecasts and when you ask each other what sign are you are talking about this sign. That is the sun sign. Or Linda Goodman's book is about the sun sign. Everyday newspaper forecast is about the sun sign. And the sun sign really doesn't tell us who we are as a person primarily. It does influence or affect our personality, but only to the third extent. It comes third in priority to understand a person's personality. The first is the ascendant or the rising sign. That's your whole body. That's you. That's how you operate in your life, and that's what your life is going to be about. Your personality, likes, dislikes, everything is here. It's with this sign and the constellation there and the number of the constellation. But after this, after the ascendant and the rising sign for a person's personality, if you want to understand who this person is, what their personality and likes and dislikes are, or how this person thinks or views life, you go to the moon sign. Now, the moon sign is anywhere where the moon is placed in the chart. Anywhere, any house where you see the word moon or Chandra, that is the moon sign. You just look at the number next to it. That'll tell you what is the moon sign of this person. So here, this person's moon sign is 10. What is 10? If you don't remember, anybody who remembers, and if you don't remember 10, look up. 10 is Capricorn. So this person's moon sign is Capricorn. So this person is mainly a Piscean and has a mind of a Capricorn, emotional thinking, that is emotional. Mind is emotional, sense organs. And then the sun sign, which is the soul, essential soul, or I don't know how to explain that, just the outward personality more so, like how do they look, how attractive do you look, how do you just feel as a person from the surface. Now that is Sagittarian. That's a Sagittarian person. And in Indian astrology, when you're giving names based on Rashi, this is what it means. Based on Rashi would mean based on the moon sign, where the moon sign is placed. So let me erase this. And if the moon was, if the moon was written here, this is number 2. Number 2 is the sign of Taurus. That means this person's moon sign is then Taurus. And then the Indian astrology or Indian chart system has letters for each. So the Tauran sun sign would have certain letters. Moon sign, would have certain letters. So, for example, I am 7. 7 lies somewhere else in my chart, but here is where my moon is. I'm a Libra moon. So the letters for me was R and T. And so my father named me on R, Rima. Not everybody's names are based on the moon sign, but if you know that your name was based on Rashi, if you just ask your parents, was my name based on the moon sign, then you don't even need to look at your chart. If they say yes, then all you need to know is the letter. Suppose if it's her is the Leo moon sign. You just need to know the letter in Gujarati or Hindi, and then what is the sign, zodiac sign for it, and then that's where your moon is in your chart. Your moon would be a Leo moon. Okay, I hope I made this as simple as I could, and I will continue to make videos to build on the previous videos that I've made. Bye-bye.